If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. Entering statement charges is the first step in preparing billing statements for customers. This can be an effective way to collect customer charges over a period of time for certain types of businesses that do not need to send out an invoice for each charge assessed to a customer. With statement charges, you simply enter the charges directly into each customer's accounts receivable register as they are accrued. At the end of the billing cycle, you then send the customer a billing statement that lists all the charges that are due or past due. You can access a customer's accounts receivable register by opening the Customers and Jobs list within the Customer Center. Select the customer to whom you want to assess statement charges within the list, and then select Customers. Enter Statement Charges from the menu bar to display that customer's accounts receivable register. To make an entry in the register, enter the date, item, quantity, rate, and if needed, the accounts receivable account to which to record the charge into the next available entry row within the register. Then click the Record button to record the statement charge. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.